Hello and a very warm welcome to the second semi-final of SPI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. I am Ajay Punia and last week we had Sunbeam English School Varanasi qualifying for the national final. And today we're back to find out which team will join them. As team 1 is Sagar Public School coming from Bhopal. As team 2 we have APS from Lucknow. As team 3 we have Amrita Vidyalayam from Coimbatore. As team 4 we have Amity International School from Delhi. And as team 5 completing our starting lineup is DAV Bhubaneswar. Welcome to all of you. Let's start. First round, here it comes. This is called Chanakya Niti. The rules are as follows. 10 questions, 5 go clockwise, 5 go anti-clockwise. We'll play a hangman alongside and we'll play 2 of these. Are we ready? First question, Sagar Public School. Before that, a hangman common to all of you. 8 letters, 7 letters, 2 words. Anybody trying? Nobody yet? Very good. First question, team 1. Which Dronacharya awardee started playing club cricket in 1945 with New Hind Sports Club and Young Maharashtra 11? He played his only first-class match for All India State Bank. Which Dronacharya awardee? Yes, team 1.
C.K. Naidu.
C.K. Naidu is incorrect. The timeline is slightly wrong. Yes,
Is it Ramakant Achrekar?
Ramakant Achrekar as the Dronacharya awardee. Yes, it is. Very good answer. Army Public School opening the account in the second semi-final here today. 10 points. 10 points to you, Army Public. Now, from Ramakant Achrekar, we get an R. I'll tell you where the R is placed. Okay, who's gone for it? DAV Bhubaneswar, Team 5. They've already gone for it. What is your answer? Wrote the book Poverty and the Un-British Rule in India.
Dadabhai Naoroji.
Does it fit? Dada Bhai, I said 8 letters. D-A-D-A Bhai. Okay, Naoroji 7 letters. Of course it does. DAV Bhubaneswar opening the account in the hangman. 15 points to you. Very, very good DAV. Okay, we'll continue. No more buzzers. Relax. Next question. This is for Team 3. Amrita Vidyalayam, Coimbatore. On the wedding day of his sister Devki, Kans heard a voice saying, Kans, your days of tyranny will soon be over. You will be killed by the 8th child of Devki. What voice? Team 3. Amrita Vidyalayam, Coimbatore. What voice? Your answer?
The voice of God Vishnu.
Of Lord Vishnu is incorrect. Amity International, Delhi.
Akashvani.
Akashvani, that's the answer. That is why I said what voice and not whose voice. Akashvani, very good answer. Amity International School, you collect 10 points. Next question, DAV Bhubaneswar. Listen to the audio. So this is Kaifi Azmi's first ghazal. Itna to zindagi mein kisi ki khalal pade. Of course, that wasn't Kaifi Azmi's voice. You have to tell me whose voice it was.
Begum Akhtar.
Begum Akhtar. Yes, it is. DAV Bhubaneswar. Very good answer. Next question. Team 1. Sagar Public, Bhopal. In 1932, the original choice for this position, Maharaja of Porbandar, stepped down as he did not have the required talent. His brother-in-law, the Prince of Limdi, got injured and so a colonel in Holkar's army was chosen. What position? Who was chosen?
So is it Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi, okay. And what position? Mahatma Gandhi as the colonel in Holkar's army. Team 2. And you belong to that part of the country though. But anyway, Team 2, APS.
The thing which is being talked about is the first captain of the Indian cricket test team, and C.K. Naidu was chosen as the captain.
So the position was first Indian test captain and C.K. Naidu fetches you 10 points, APS Lucknow. What a lovely answer on that. Very, very good quizzing. Okay, Amrita Vidyalayam, today seems to be your lucky day. This is your direct again. Here it comes. Which village in Assam is famous for its mysterious bird deaths that even puzzled naturalists like EPG and Salim Ali? Team 3, Amrita Vidyalayam.
Majuli.
Please say that again.
Majuli.
Majuli. No. Team 4, Amity International.
Jatinga.
Jatinga. The Jatinga bird mysteries. That's the answer. Very, very good. 10 points to you as well, Amity International School. Right. So that brings us to the end of the first part of the first round. We'll take a look at the scoreboards and see which team has made early advances into this game. So Team 5, DAV Bhubaneswar is at 25, Team 4, Amity International, they're at 20, and Team 2, APS is at 20. So that's how close this quiz has been till now. We'll take a breather right now, but when we return, we'll see who's on a roll and who's on a stroll. Stay with us, we'll be back in a moment. Welcome back. You're watching the second semi-final of SPI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. We're through with the first part of the first round and we've seen 3 teams who are fighting neck and neck in this competition. We'll move on to the second part of the first round. Here's the second hangman. 11 letters. 15 minus 10 at this stage. Anybody interested? No? Okay, we will continue. This is the question for Team 5. The blank system of slavery was introduced with the assumption that it is the duty of every male adult to work without remuneration for the Maharaja for 10 days in every 40 days. Maharaja Churchand Singh abolished the system in 1892. Can you fill in the blank for me, please?
The Bethi.
Say that again, please.
Bethi, B-E-T-H.
Is incorrect. Amity International School, Delhi, Team 4.
Is it Chautha?
Chautha as a system of slavery? No.
Is it Chaukidari?
No, that's incorrect as well. Not Chaukidari. Team 2.
Is it Bandhua?
Is incorrect as well. Team 1. No? Okay. Hard luck. The right answer was Lalap. Lalap. It's a system of slavery from Maharaja Churchand Singh from Manipur. Alright. So we get an L. We already have a buzzer. Can I have your answer, APS Lucknow? Excavation at Antichak started in 1960. 15 minus 10. Your answer? Can't give you so much time. I'm afraid that's a negative of 10.
L.
You have an answer? No. That's too much time. Here's the next question. This is for Team 4, Amity International, Delhi. Which national park, locally known as Sarandrivanam, got its English name due to absence of the otherwise widespread insect, cicada, and presence of lion-tailed macaques?
Silent Valley National Park.
Silent Valley National Park. Where is it? Doesn't matter. Gets you 10 points. Very good answer. This is the Silent Valley National Park. Absence of the noisy cicada insects and presence of lion-tailed macaques who are better known, whose scientific name is Macaca silenus. Very good answer. Okay, a little bit of science coming into heritage quiz. Right, so we get Silent Valley, so S. Team 4, you've gone for it. What is your answer? You get 15 if you give me the right answer.
Dharamshala.
Dharamshala.
Sir, is it?
Minus 5. Next question. This is for Team 3, Amrita Vidyalayam. Listen to the audio. Okay, one of my personal favorite bands. This is Jhini Re by Indian Ocean. It's a song by one of the leading figures of the Bhakti movement. Who? Team 3.
Salim Shishti.
Of the Bhakti movement? No. Team 2.
Is it Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Is incorrect as well. Not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Team 1.
Is it Narsi Mehta?
Is incorrect. Team 5.
Namdev.
Please say that again.
Namdev.
Is wrong. Team 4, Amity International.
Is it Kabir?
Kabir, yes it is. What a lovely answer from Amity International School, Delhi. That fetches you 10 points. We'll move on to the next question. So we get a K from here. Destroyed by Bakhtiar Khilji, placed as the third letter. Team 5, what is your answer?
Vikramshila.
Vikramshila, that's what it is. It's not what other teams said earlier, Dharamshala and the others. This is Vikramshila, destroyed by Bakhtiar Khilji. 10 points to you, DAV Bhubaneswar. So with that, we come to the end of the hangman and the buzzers. The next question will now be a direct for Team 3. Radhanath Sikdar joined the Great Trigonometrical Survey in 1831. What was his biggest contribution to the world?
It's estimating the height of Mount Everest.
He estimated the height of peak 15 then, and now Mount Everest. Very good answer, Team 3. You get 10 points as well. Very, very good. Okay, last question of this round is for Team 2, APS Lucknow. Watch the video, question follows.
Why? Because these people said it hurts our sentiments as Hindus that you talk about versions other than the Valmiki version. Now, I think that this is a very clear pointer to how we construct our notions of history. What is history?
Right. For over 2 decades, she was thought of India's foremost historian. But recently, she has been considered its most controversial. Can you please identify her, Team 2? You're passing. You will pass to Team 1.
Is it Romila Thapar?
Romila Thapar. Yes, it is. 10 points to you, Sagar Public School. What a lovely answer. Okay, that brings us to the end of round 1. We'll move on to round 2 now. The next round is called Shatabdi Express. I will explain how this Shatabdi Express works. There'll be 4 questions with 3 hints each, common to all the teams on the buzzer. Remember, there's only 1 buzzer per hint. Let's start. Ready? First question. Headquartered in Mumbai with chairperson Arundhati Bhattacharya, Team 5, DAV Bhubaneswar.
SBI.
It is SBI. Very good answer, State Bank of India. This is DAV Bhubaneswar. You get 15 points. Very, very good. Next question. Coastal discovery by American zoologist Dr. H.R. Bustard in 1974. No one. Next hint, 10 minus 5. The annual visits of its most famous visitors have been erratic lately due to climate change and human interference. Team 1, Sagar Public School, Bhopal. You've gone for it. What is your
Great
answer?
Indian Bustard.
Minus 5. Next hint. Okay, Team 4, you've gone for it already. What is your answer for 5 and no negatives?
Ran of Kutch Flamingos.
Ran of Kutch Flamingos. No negatives because this is the 3rd hint. There were only positives to collect. Doesn't matter to you. The right answer instead was, can somebody go for it now?
Olive Ridley Turtles.
Yeah, this is the Gahir Matha Beach Sanctuary. The Olive Ridley Turtles, not the Flamingos of Kutch. Hard luck, Team 4. No points, however, to DAV Bhubaneswar. 3rd question. Shriman Sankardev Kalakshetra has a museum named after him. Now 10 points. Here's the 2nd hint. Nickname, Bard of the Brahmaputra. No? Okay. 3rd hint. They've gone for it. Assamese musician. He was awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1992. Team 5, no negatives.
Bhupen Hazarika.
Bhupen Hazarika, 5 points for you on that, Team 5. Good for you, Team 5. Next question, the 4th one. 15 minus 5, first hint. Adopted a new name and took his vow of sannyas at Antpur village. No? Nobody going for it yet? Okay, 2nd hint. Died due to rupture in a blood vessel of his brain when he attained Mahasamadhi Army Public School, Lucknow.
Swami Vivekanand.
Swami Vivekanand gets you 10 points. Very, very good. That's the answer. Lovely. Lovely quizzing, Army Public School. Right. We're done with 2 rounds of quizzing here. Time for us to take a breather. But when we return, on the other side lies the final round that will determine which team will take the 2nd national finalist spot. Stay with us. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the 2nd semi-final of SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. We're through with 2 rounds and this is what the scoreboard has to say. It's Team DAV from Bhubaneswar, Team 5, which is leading at the moment with 55 and closely followed by Team 4, Amity International School, Delhi. They're at 35. Team 2, APS, you're at 20. Team 3, Amrita Vidyalayam from Coimbatore, you're at 10. And Team 1, Sagar Public School, you're at 5. The 3rd round is now upon us, a round that might just turn the quiz on its head because this is a very unpredictable round and it's called Kabhi Ye, Kabhi Wo. I will explain how this works. 10 questions, 5 on the buzzer, 5 on the bonus. If you give me the right answer on the buzzer, I will ask you whether you want a 5-pointer bonus that comes without negatives or a 10-pointer bonus that comes with a negative of -5. After the end of 3 questions, the last 2 questions will only be played by teams which are still in the game. However, if we have a clear winner or if everybody's in the game, we'll play the game till the very end. Let's start, shall we? First question on the buzzer on your screen. What was built near Agra to commemorate Akbar's victory over Bahadur Shah of the Faruqi dynasty? Team 5, DAV Bhubaneswar, +5, -5.
The Buland Darwaza of the Fatehpur Sikri.
The Buland Darwaza near Agra in Fatehpur Sikri. That's the answer, DAV Bhubaneswar. Time to strategize. 5 points already.
5 points.
5, not 10? No? Okay. 5-pointer. This is for you, DAV Bhubaneswar only. While Abhimanyu knew how to break into the Chakravyuh and Ashwathama knew how to invoke the Brahmastra, which Pandav had complete knowledge of both Chakravyuh and Brahmastra?
Arjuna.
He had complete knowledge of both. You have a complete knowledge of this answer as well. You get your 5 points. This is Arjun. Arjun from the Pandavas. He knew how to invoke and withdraw the Brahmastra as well as the Chakravyuh. Next question on the buzzer, all teams. Team 5 has gone for it. Which tiger reserve in Assam gets its name from the presiding deity of these temples in Haridwar and Panchkula?
Manas. Manas National Park.
Haridwar, Panchkula and Manas.
Manas Holosa Devi.
Doesn't matter. You get your 5 points. That's the answer, DAV Bhubaneswar. Come on, take a 10.
5 points.
No? 10. No? Okay, 5. Here it comes. This is only for you, DAV. Along with Charles Marshall, who wrote this 3-volume book? The Game Birds of India, Burma and Ceylon. Who?
A.O. Hume.
A.O. Hume. +5. +5 again. Seems only DAV Bhubaneswar is playing this round. Very good answer. Here's the next question. This is on the buzzer as well. Listen to the audio. Question follows. All right. Team 5 has gone for it. My question, this song by George Harrison was written and sung in praise of which Hindu god?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore as a Hindu god. Oh dear. Oh dear, you should have ideally just left it for everybody else. That's the wrong answer. -5 to you, Team 5, DAV Bhubaneswar. The right answer I was looking for is Lord Krishna. That's the end of 3 questions. We will take a look at which teams we will continue the game with. So it's Team 1, which is at 5, Team 2 at 20, Team 3 Amrita Vidyalayam at 10, Team 4 Amity International at 35, and Team 5 DAV at 70. So it seems that the quiz has already gone one way. So all the teams will continue playing this round. Here's the 4th question. Team 3 Amrita Vidyalayam. The Indian Coinage Act was amended in 1955 for the adoption of a new system of coinage called Naya Paisa. What did Naya Paisa replace? Team 3. Coimbatore. Annas, that's the answer. They replaced the Anna system of Indian coinage. Okay, 5 or 10?
We'll go for 10s.
You'll go for 10? Your 10-pointer, this is for you. The first of its kind in India, Cheramun Jumma in Kodungalur, Thrissur, was built in 629 AD by Malik ibn Dinar. What is this?
Mosque.
This is a mosque. Very good answer. This is the first mosque in India. Amrita Vidyalayam, Coimbatore, you get 10 points. Very, very good. The next question, the last question on the buzzer. Team 4, Amity International School, Delhi. Tell me, in 1981, what coastal lagoon in India was designated as the first Indian wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention? Team 4.
Pulicat.
Is incorrect, I'm afraid. That's the wrong answer. No, doesn't pass to anyone. That's it. -5 to you, Amity International School, Delhi. The right answer was Chilka Lake in Odisha. So that's the end of our exciting second semi-final. Here's a look at the scorecard. So it's Team 5, DAV from Bhubaneswar. They've secured their place in the national final. They finished with a score of 70. All that I said earlier about proving your mettle, exhibiting your character, DAV Bhubaneswar certainly did that and secured a spot in the national final. the other teams, you certainly a champion in my book. Thank you for being a part of this show. So that's it from all of us here at History TV 18. You were watching SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. We resume our hunt for the third national finalist next week. Do join us.